Hi everyone! I think you read the title and thumbnail of the video. Enjoy!
My God! Wow! Oh my God!
Okay, let's go.
Cute Cookie Gaming was not here yet, but Coldpia was here.
Huh?
People. I am. Resetting server. Please join back.
Nugu.
15 minutes later.
Meanwhile.
Guys, the queen is here, bow down.
Give Queen some space.
Sorry everyone for being asked. I'm doing house chores lol.
Give the queen some space, ye.
I have my school projects to do, but I don't want to leave. Cute Cookie Gaming was leaving game and I forgot to record it. Booty have a screenshot of it. I need to go now everyone, I need to rest. Meeting Cute Cookie Gaming was kinda chaotic, but it's really fun. Also her Hangout game was beautiful, aesthetic, and cute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.